So we are now going to answer letter A of the practice exercise. So we have here an illustration. We have here the for similar and spherical masses, and we have here the axis of rotation. Now, based from the example given and from the problem given, the axis of rotation is located perpendicular to the plane. So, drawing lang siya na ganito kasi 2D type, pero located siya here at the center. Now, let's try to take note that our formula for the moment of inertia is given by I is equal to mr square. Okay, and it is also the summation of mi ri squared depending on the number of masses. So, in our example right here, in our problem right here, meron tayong 1, 2, 3, and 4 masses. So, you expect na yung equation natin is abot siya ng mag-start siya ng m1 r1 dot 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 m4 r4 squared. So, recap muna tayo sa mga given natin. Yung value ng mga masses, that was 2 kilograms. Okay, and yung radius of the sphere, okay, is 0.25 meters. Now, the first step for us to solve this particular problem is to determine yung value ng r. Now, hindi ito totally yung value ng r. Okay, kasi kailangan natin hanapin yung distance from the sphere papunta dito sa my center. So, maglalaki lang ako ng drawing dito. So, we are going to label this as your M1, M2, M3, and M4. So, gaano ba kalayo yung mass 1 towards the center? Okay, so we're going to make an illustration. We're going to label this as your R kasi yan yung kailangan natin mamaya. This portion, ganun din, R, right here, and of course this one, okay, R right here, and lastly dito, R right there. And based also from the problem, the size of the beam or the side is 3 meters. So kakailangan na natin ito, guys. Ayan. So, meron na tayong illustration. We are now going to find for the value. Yung mahirap lang talaga naman dito is to find for the value of R. Now, paano natin hahanapin yung value ng R? Okay, now if we try to look at the illustration, no, we can actually find for this portion. Teka lang, change tayo. Yan. Pwede natin hanapin ito. Okay. And we are going to use one formula particularly involving a right triangle kasi meron tayong right triangle dito. So, since right triangle ito at kailangan natin hanapin yung hypotenuse na side, gagamitin natin yung Pythagorean theorem. So, for us to find for this side, we are going to use the Pythagorean theorem. Now, take note. Gagawa tayo ng konting illustration dito to i-extract natin yung triangle. So, parang ganito siya, guys. Alright, so assuming na perfect na right triangle siya. So, next step is that what will be going the value of this side? Ano ba yung magiging value nito? Take note na yung given of the side is 3 meters. Okay, so the question is 3 meters nga ba yung length of the sides? Considering that, okay, kailangan natin i-consider yung radius of the sphere. The radius of the sphere is 0.25 meters sa isa. And since dalawa yung ano natin dito, we use this one and we're going to use this one and also this one, no? Kailangan natin i-add 0.25 meters, the radius of this sphere, plus 3 meters, plus another 0.25 meters. So at this side is 0.25 plus 3 plus 0.25, that is 3.50 meters. And ganun din sa baba. Okay? Now, pwede nating hanapin yung longer side na ito. which represent this one, we're going to label that as D. D muna yung ano natin, lalagay natin na label. So, using Pythagorean theorem, D is equal to the square root of 3.50 meters square plus 3.50 meters square. Ayan. So, we will be arriving with answer na 4.949 747 46831 meters. So, yung longer side na ito, yung longest side of this triangle, ito yung kanyang value. Okay, so, kung babalikan natin yung illustration from right here hanggang dito, okay, from number 2 to number 4, the length of that is 4.9497. Now, since yung kakailangan na lang natin, guys, for each sphere, say for example, yung number 2 from right here hanggang dito lang sa may gitna. So, kailangan nating hatiin yung longest side. So, we're going to divide natin to ng dalawa or ng 2 kasi hinahati natin tong longest side. And we are going to name that as your R. And R is 2.47 48737 3415 meters. So, meron na tayong value ng R. So, take note of this value. Alright. Now, next tayo. Okay. Duplicate ko lang to kasi kailangan natin tong gamitin later on. Alright. So, take note Take note of this number. So, erase na natin to. Sorry. Erase.